Only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Hey my lovies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time tuning in, my name is CD and thank you. But if you've been my day one, thank you guys, thank you so much. Anyway, this is a brand new vlog. We're vlogging, of course, and it's after work. It's a Wednesday afternoon, so I'm going to do my nails. My nails are horrible. To think I had a blast weekend. So yes, saloon to do my nails, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So I do my nails go black and white. I used to do my nails go after 8, but now the guy who does my nails some move it to do black and white. So I'm going there, and yeah, so we'll meet on the other side.
Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my picture take it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna coach you and get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time. I don't know what you want. Only been a few hours but it feel like days. Only been days but it feel like months.
Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of the vlog. And I'm sorry guys, I finished very late yesterday. Like, I really just went for a plain set. Also, can we discuss how my nail tech is slow, guys? Here, my nail tech is so slow also because we will be talking about a whole lot of things while he's busy with my nails. So yesterday when I got there were like 2 girlies before me. So he had to do them first, and then he only started working on my nails I think after 6. That's why I was like, you know what, dear, let's just go plain because I do not want any drama. Anyway, today is a Friday morning. I'm not going to work, guys. I'm going to see a doctor. I'm not really feeling well. After that, I think I'm gonna run a few errands because definitely tomorrow I'm working. So yeah, I don't know if I'll show you my outfit, but I look so cutesy. Also, I took this fair with because where I it's busy, guys, it's a bit coldish, like there's that breeze is monate. So I will see you guys on the other side. Hey my loves, I am in downtown. Yo guys, I packed my car so far. I packed the car almost next to Waterfront Mall because the parking space opposite where I'm going is only for loading. So if I pack my car there, they will take it, and for me to get it back, it's a lot of money, and I don't have money. So I'm literally walking to the pharmacy now. Yo guys, which is like I just got in the car, so fine. I went in and I actually went to see a doctor because I think I had contacted UTI. So I just went there for that. Fine, when I get there, obviously they will do whatever they can do, test and everything. So for the longest time, my doctors always told me that when you are 27, you should have done at least 2 pap smears. So each time, guys, daughter, like I always not go. I will make an appointment and I wouldn't go because I think I'm scared. Also, I don't like anyone touching my vagina. So today when I get there, and then he examines me and everything, he was like, hey, come back out. Remember, you're supposed to be up here. So after fair medication, go to the sister's room and do this thing, get it over and done with, whatever. Yo guys, I have never been that uncomfortable. It wasn't bad, but guys, opening your thighs and someone is looking and they touching, Yo, I guess being a woman sometimes it is the pits. Being a woman is the pits. So Kitsamo, it's like 11, and obviously I'm booked off work because I wanted to go to work, but now I can't because it's already 11, so it doesn't make much sense. It definitely does not make much sense. So yo, I give back to Bomaka, guys. Being a woman is not easy, so they gave me a whole lot of medication. I couldn't flock at the pharmacy because I was still digesting the whole thing of the smear test. So they gave me medication. Some I'm gonna take now, some I will take as per prescription. And yeah, so right now I am going to Waterfront. I'm going to Waterfront to buy a few things. Also, I am hungry. I didn't eat. I could say, but I don't know if I'll start with food and then the gear Edgar's after, or if I will like shop first, and I'll see, guys.
Hey guys, so my first stop was Woolies. I wanted a specific air freshener, the vanilla air freshener, but now I gravitated towards fabric sprays. So my friend uses the lemon verbena fabric spray and it smells so good, but I wanted to like pick a different scent. I took peony and pear. It smells amazing. Then after that I got what I had went there for, which is air freshener. So I like the vanilla scent, especially in the bathroom. So those are the two products that I got from Woolies. And can we talk about how we can make our own fabric sprays, guys? We literally have to use our softener, and then you dilute it with water, and then you spray it on your sheets all the time after making your bed. So it's time to zinda, guys. Yeah.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tell me more and with my heart, just give me everything. So I quickly I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you, but if you know you can tell me how to fuck me up, don't let me down. Slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let the truth. Got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of
Hey guys, so we are going to feed. Yeah, I hate feeding rooms, guys. So we're at Edgar's and we're gonna feed. So I'm wearing these shoes that I got from Sissy Boy. I got this from Mr. Price, Fushini. So yeah, this is my simple running errands look. I got this shoe. I don't know, I'm sure. Very cute. So we also have this. I also have like this cute shorts. I got a Delele, so it's like this. I like it. If I have to choose between the short I had, this one and this, I'll definitely go for this. Here's the top. This is how it looks at the back. also did fit this trouser. I also fit the trouser, but it's actually long. I am short, so I don't know, because when I go for a smaller size, it becomes small. So there's no way in which I'll buy something and tailor it later. I'm not crazy. Okay, guys, so I am done at Waterfront. I just went to Edgar's to buy like few clothing items. I'll show you when I get home, because not everything that I have fitted I bought. Like, I didn't buy everything that I had fitted, so I'll just show you what I had, or what I bought rather, when I get home. Now I am hungry and I am at Club 28. It's Restaurant 28. I don't know what they call it, Club 28. It's Restaurant 28 in Langoven Park. So I'm there and I'm just going to eat. I'm not gonna have any alcoholic beverage, because remember, I'm medicated. Yeah, you need the antibiotics in the morning when, like, after my consultation, so I can't drink any alcohol. I'm just gonna sit and eat. After eating, then I'm gonna go back to my place. I think I'm also gonna start packing my things when I get that side, because I'm leaving. I am definitely leaving my place. I'm moving out, so when I get there, I'll just try to reshuffle. And yeah, anyway, I'm not gonna tell you guys, like, I'm not gonna tell you yet because also for safety purposes, guys, one of the reasons why I'm leaving Kalo is because I did not feel safe anymore. That will be a story time for another day. So I want to just like move and have a new start somewhere. So when I'm ready to disclose the location in terms of maybe the name of the townhouse or the name of the complex, I will. But for now, I'll just move and you'll just see a different setting whenever you see it, and you will know that I have moved. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna have lunch. After that, I'm going home. So we are back home. I'm just gonna show you what I bought. Okay, let me put it here. Yeah, me showing you what I bought reminds me of something, but yeah, I don't want to dwell on negative comments. Okay, so I bought the shoes. You see, I bought these shoes from obviously Edgar's. I like them. So I got them for $3.99. Let me show you. Yeah, I got them for $3.99, $2.99. And I'm actually a size 5, guys, but if you can like look closely, the shoes ke size 6, because 5 in batla elinyane. So 5 was quite small. And then out of everything that I did fit in room, I took this top. I know you saw it, so I took this top. It went for $189. And then I also took this jumpsuit. It's very cute, guys. This is very cute, literally cute. It went for $299 as well. And then that dress, the black dress with like a gold thingy, I also took this dress. Very cute. It has a slit, like, yeah. Oh, guys, so that is all, meaning that I had to like retain that trouser in a illy beige, because it was long. I didn't like the fit that was too long. I had to cut it, obviously, so I didn't want all that drama. And I also retained the bum short, because in a and I couldn't find my size. And then I bought this, like I showed you. And then I bought this body wash as well. It's very like, it smells nice. Then I bought this tissue oil, guys. This Marula tissue oil is the Han she thinks she is, Shem. This one, So I bought like two. Ooh, CG. I bought like two of like the marula. And then I got this. I want to try this for the first time. Also, I saw marula something here. It's Portia M soap. So I want to try this as well. And then obviously I bought this air freshener. So these are the things I bought, and yeah, I'm extremely medicated. I'm extremely medicated, so I think I'm just gonna rest now. And yeah, let me love this. Welcome to day 3 of the vlog. Guys, I'm promoting this day. So once I got my friend like, let's go out, whatever. Bitch! Little So I'm getting picked up by a new machine, guys. My friend bought a car.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like months.
Guys, look at the
Life move fast, you do what you want. In the meantime, just not going where I want it. Just some me time. In the meantime, just not going where I want it. Just some me time. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. Sit in the mirror, I got myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the stage, gonna frame your poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince and I'm fairy tales, I'm that blue stuff. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're necessity. Full forecast on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me
I was looking at the cafe and I was like, Sunny, why? Congratulations to my friend. Yo! One thing about God. Yo! This time. So yeah, my friend is
if you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling into deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see, but I know where I wanna be. Yeah, I just wanna know what you're living deeper.
Halle Berry. But she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
I go where I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you know what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Chateau Mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is addicted to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
I go where I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you know what you want. Only been a few hours but it feel like days. Only been days but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not going where I want.
it's some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not going where I want.
it's some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the bar.
Hey guys, welcome to day 4 of the vlog. I'm sorry I neglected you so much. Yeah, it's a Tuesday morning and I am already at work. Guys, it's hot and cold. I do not know what's going on with this weather, but yeah, I'm just wearing this crop top I got from Legit and then a scarf. So yeah guys, yesterday I went to pierce my ear at Lovisa, so I only had like 2, but I'm still gonna go back for another one here. I just did not prepare myself mentally for this one and this one, so I still have like 4 more piercings pending. So yeah, anyway, I hope you're gonna enjoy this vlog guys. I think I had this vlog for a week. I would take breaks in between, like I would literally forget. Also, there's a lot going on, so I would forget that I'm shooting or anything along those lines, and please forgive me. So yeah, we are at work, and please, I'm gonna end it here. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Anyway, I saw that the story time Sana is like mostly viewed. You guys viewed my story time, so I think I will always spill the tea for you. So yes guys, please enjoy the rest of your day, enjoy the vlog.